guys, dzień dobry, it's Kim, I'm one of the HR recruitment specialist of Worksol Group located in our Dubai office. So, for this video, meron pa ako ipapakita sa inyo.
So this document is from the European Union Intellectual Property Office and it is a certificate of registration. So basahin po natin. Ang nakalagay, this certificate of registration is hereby issued for the European Union trademark identified below. Corresponding entries have been recorded in the Register of European Union Trademarks. On the side of the document, you can see the name Worksol. Ito po.
What does it really mean to be under the European Union Intellectual Property Office? Ang ibig sabihin po nito, we are officially registered. Worksol is officially registered as a trademark. That means Worksol has exclusive rights para po gamitin ang pangalang Worksol para sa aming goods or services that we provide within the European Union member states. Ang ibig sabihin po nito ay meron pong legal protection si Worksol para sa illegal use ng pangalan ni Worksol. You can easily have an access to it sa website namin. Pwede po kayong mag-visit sa www.worksol.pl para mabasa niyo po ang buong details. Ang English version po nakalagay sa ating EU IPO ay nasa page 4 and 5. I hope nakatulong, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Maraming salamat po and have a blessed day ahead. Bye!